Thank you. Mea culpa, mea maxim culpa. Herman Hauser doesn't like us. As some of you know, I currently live and work in Beijing and have spent most of the past 20 years in the US. So it is a great pleasure to be back home during this incredibly exciting time for London. 4 billion people will tune in to the Olympics, and while it may not compare to the excitement and drama, the technology behind the Olympics is pretty exciting as well. We heard earlier more than 450 IT professionals will be working around the clock. 200 hours of testing before the Olympic ceremonies. That's more than 20 years of testing. What about Stuart Hill? That was marvelous, and I would really congratulations to London 2012. Right. What happens in an internet minute? In a single minute, 200 million emails are sent, 70,000 apps are downloaded, 100,000 new tweets, 20 hours of video uploaded to YouTube. Again, this is happening every minute of every day. In fact, last year's global internet traffic consisted of 8 times as many data as the entire internet just a decade ago. By 2014, that number will double, giving us a total of 14 billion connected devices on the planet. 14 billion devices. That is a lot of devices to marriage. It's not just about consumer devices. In fact, it's estimated by 2014, businesses will need to manage 2x the number of employee devices that they compared to 2010. This is the MIPS. The internet revolution is creating a huge demand for additional compute power and performance. What this is the total server compute platform, and each 2 years is worth more than everything combined, right? Each 2 years it's worth more than everything combined. That's incredible. This is the power of the computer. As most of this audience knows, the concept of cloud computing didn't just spring up out of thin air. Starting with the mainframe and moving through the era of mini computers, client servers, and so on, there's no doubt that we are well into the new era. In fact, IDC estimates that 20% of all digital data will be stored and processed via clouds in 2015. So why is the industry moving to clouds? I think there are three simple reasons: agility, efficiency, and cost savings. I started out by giving you a glimpse of what goes on in the space of a single internet minute. In this kind of environment, new resources must be provisioned in minutes, not months. That's the kind of agility that can only be provided with the cloud. The cloud also holds the promise of significant improvements in efficiency, allowing you to get more done with less. So this is three things which is moving the cloud forward. Let's look at BMW, for instance, is using their own private cloud to provide faster delivery of standardized services. They are also offering cloud-based servers to the customers, and these services were delivered to 2 million cars in last year. In 3 years, that number is expected to go to be 10 billion. Intel's own department provides another great example of the benefits of the cloud. Intel is a large global IT organization that manages 70,000 servers worldwide. Since the deployment of our own private cloud in 2009, we've dramatically reduced the time to provision new server resources from 3 months down to 45 minutes. And I'm happy to learn that in the UK, the government's G-Cloud program has begun introducing cloud-based services into government departments. Of course, there is technology barriers, as is on any new technology, but this is not new to us, and we'll fix it. On our open cloud vision, we are working with the industry to address many of the challenges through our open cloud vision. It's a multi-year initiative that will help clouds that are built on open interoperable solutions and standards. I think you've got to. We are engaged on many fronts, but the Open Data Center Alliance, that is what this is all about, and we are serving as the technical advisor to this. The Open Data Center Alliance is completely worldwide. There's a lot of Chinese companies in there, a lot of Asian companies, BMW, it's all, and the US, it's the adapter members are great. There are currently over 300 member companies representing 100 billion in annual IT spend. If your organization is not already a member, I urge you to get involved. So congratulations to London 2012, and we will look forward to the next 10 medals.